Hello Mafros. So we've reached 3K and we really love what you've done for us, so we wanted to reward you guys
with a massive giveaway.
So what are we actually going to give away?
So we're going to give away this camera.
And of course, this phone. And these are the stuff that we've been using to record with.
Yeah, since we got new equipment, we're actually, look, this is our other one, our other recording.
Yeah, we actually use phones instead of like mics.
We're professional motherfuckers.
Yeah. You guys didn't notice that.
A little bunch of shit.
So this is actually
the Sony HD.
It's the Sony HDR CX105. And we're gonna give this away and a HTC One and 8. HTC One and 8. Alright? That's the one. The sexy motherfucker.
Sexy.
Alright.
So what do you have to do to win this?
First thing, you gotta share this video.
Share on Facebook or even Twitter.
Preferably Facebook so we can actually check, and you should share it publicly so we can check again. And then below in the comment section below, you're gonna tell us why you want to win the camera and the phone.
What you're gonna use it for.
And obviously if you didn't subscribe to us, do it.
Yeah, you need to be subscribed to win.
The best comment will be winning.
Okay, so now
the requirements. You have to make sure to like the video, to share it.
Comment down below.
Comment down below why you want to win.
Yeah, why you want to.
We're gonna be announcing the winners on Facebook. So, I mean, like our Facebook page to stay updated.
Yeah, to stay updated.
Alright, my fros. We're out of here.